Fashion retail moves fast, but when every system works together, your store moves even faster.
All right, team, here's a quick look at yesterday's numbers. Linen pants were our top seller. Great job on pushing the new collection. I also see that rib tops are running low in 2 stores. So let's place a reorder today to avoid stockouts.
Start the day with data, not guesswork.
Linen pieces have been really popular lately. Let's make use of Smart Push to send a targeted email to customers who bought the linen pants online and invite them to come check out the new colors and matching tops. They already like linen. A quick style tip should bring them in.
Make use of Smart Push to help you achieve targeted customer outreach.
Hi, I'm here to collect my online order.
Sure thing, one moment. Here it is, your pleated skirt. We actually just launched a matching top this week, and it's been our best seller for the past 2 days. Would you like to check it out?
Oh, perfect timing. Yes.
With the right tools, pickups become opportunities.
Do you have this in size M?
Let me check. We're out here, but another store has stock. Would you like me to reserve this piece for you? You can opt for self-collection, or we can arrange for a delivery to your place.
Oh, great. Please arrange for a delivery.
Is this the correct address?
Yes, that's right. Thanks.
Never lose a sale to out of stock again.
Welcome back. I see you purchased our satin blouse last month. We've just released new colors. Would you like to take a look?
Oh, sure. I'll get one of this in size M, please.
I'll get a new piece for you. Oh, you also have enough points to redeem a $14 cashback. Would you like me to apply it for you?
Yes, please.
Serve every customer like you know them personally.
This item is damaged. Let me adjust the inventory so it doesn't show as available.
Fix small inventory issues before they become big problems.
The afternoon shift did great upselling accessories. Let's schedule the same team for tomorrow evening. Floral dresses are moving the fastest in Vivo. In that case, I'll transfer 10 units there.
End each day knowing exactly how the business performed. With SHOPLINE POS, your entire retail operation runs smarter. One system, one inventory, one connected customer experience.